In this video, I'm going to give you a high-level overview of Ali Inspector 2019, okay? But before I get into the product, welcome to my channel. If you like videos about how to make money online, making passive income, creating a lifestyle that you want without being stuck to a 9-to-5 job, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you just that, as well as giving you product reviews that are launching right now in the marketplace. All right, so go ahead and subscribe, and at any point in this video, if you want to check out Ali Inspector, you can check out the first link in the description, as well as check out some other resources that I recommend to get you started with your online business. Okay, but go ahead, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button, and comment below if you are already if you're thinking about buying Ali Inspector, or if you have the first version of Ali Inspector. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into reviewing the product. So this is the pre-launch. So Ali Inspector right now is not available for purchase. It launches on the 13th. Okay, what you want to do though is go ahead, and if you want to make sure you get on this early bird discount special for Ali Inspector 2, go ahead and put your name and email address in here so that once the product is available, you can go ahead and get on the email list as well as get the discount. So right now is a good time, just because the product hasn't officially launched. It's had 2 days from now, so Monday it launches, does not mean that you cannot go ahead and lock in your discount for the product. Okay, the product will be, let me go to the pricing. The product is $27. Okay, so this product, Ali Inspector 2, costs $27. I'm not particularly sure what the early bird discount is, but it's cheaper than $27. So you want to go ahead and make sure you lock that in if you want the product. But what is Ali Inspector 2? So if you don't know what if you don't know what AliExpress is, you won't really utilize Ali Inspector. Okay, so Ali Inspector, it takes AliExpress, all the products being sold on AliExpress, drop ship from AliExpress, and it finds best sellers for you. It analyzes which niches or categories or spaces you should get in to drop ship off of AliExpress, as well as where the products are selling, who's making the most money, in what country, etc., who has the best supplier, their shipping times. It analyzes everything that you need to know to be able to have a successful dropship business from AliExpress. Okay, we all know, or if you don't know, if dropshipping is basically where you purchase a product from a supplier with your own money for one price, and then you turn around and sell it for someone with a higher price. It's the same thing these big corporations like Walmart. I used to work with Wilson Sporting Goods. A lot of the companies and corporations that are making millions today, that's all they're doing. They're buying products from other countries, particularly China. They're getting them manufactured and they're sourcing them from there. They're paying to ship them into the store, and then they put a higher price on it for you to purchase. Okay, but that's exactly the same thing that AliExpress is doing. And with Ali Inspector 2, the second version of this, you can analyze and be able to determine those products that are really good for you to start selling right now, and that have reliable vendors and suppliers that can drop ship directly to your customer. Okay, so there's no storing inventory. There's no you do have the process returns, and you do have to worry about emailing and customer management, but you do not have to buy a bunch load of inventory up front to then hopefully sell it to a customer. No, you purchase it through AliExpress, and AliExpress sends it directly to your customer based on the information that your customer purchased through your website. Okay, but we're not going over the dropship model right now, but Ali Inspector helps you be good at dropshipping and make tons of money. Okay, so I'm going to play this short demo here. The sound may not be on, but you can get a visual if the sound is not on what Ali Inspector is all about. So you first come through here, you get what categories are trending on AliExpress, as well as Google Trends. You take a look at the best sellers from AliExpress. through all the categories that AliExpress has, and then you get a lot of data about that product. You get the sales history of that product, where the product has sold, when it sold, at what time it sold, images, everything that you need to integrate to your dropship store is right here in Ali Inspector. Okay, you can download images right from the sales page onto your site, and you basically can synchronize a lot of top selling product through Ali Inspector to find which ones will sell in your marketplace. Okay, so that's basically Ali Inspector, guys. Look, if you like this product or you think this product will be worth purchasing, go ahead and get it right now. The link in the description. Come to the sales page and sign up for the early bird discount and be notified when the product is goes live on the 13th, so that you get the discount and so that you can go ahead and lock the product in. And also, it will be a money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, it's not on here yet, but it'll be a 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't like the product, you can always get your money back. Like I said, it's only $27. So if you don't have $27 to go ahead and invest in this product, you might not have enough to even start a dropshipping business, because this is fairly cheap compared to what you need to be successful in dropshipping. But go ahead and check that product out in the link in the description. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel. And if this video gave you some type of value, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, like this video, and comment below if you're going to purchase Ali Inspector. And I'd like to hear your feedback and thoughts on the product, as well as my review on this video. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.